Hey guys, wanted to kind of do an unboxing. This is exhaust for the Honda Goldwing GL1000. Really excited about opening these pipes up. The reviews and the pipes online look really cool. So this is probably one of the most expensive parts of this bike. These pipes, I actually got them off of eBay. They were roughly $615. They're a stainless steel exhaust, 2-to-1 for both sides of the bike. So we'll get right into it. But so I haven't opened these up yet. See kind of what kind of quality they are. Like I said, they're reviews and whatnot I looked up online. Sounds like they're really decent pipes. So I seem to be boxed up fairly decent. Comes with the springs, gaskets, and the tool. So it's kind of cool. Some exhaust clamps. I'll also show the process of putting these on. So I'm assuming that's some sort of, maybe for the, yeah, I'm sure that's got to be for the center stand. Stand stop, so I'm sure that's the center stand. Protect the exhaust there. So, all the pieces here. Yeah, everything seems to be wrapped and sealed nicely, which is good. Sometimes you get parts that, yeah, they're halfway sticking out of the freaking box and that kind of stuff. There's nothing more aggravating than when you get something and it looks already damaged. So there's the three pieces for each side. This is basically your 2-to-1 portion, and then your header pipes coming off the motor. And I'll open these up here in just a second. I'll probably only open up the one side for now. So let me find where I put my knife here. Sorry. Maybe I can cut it open. There we go. So again, seem to be packaged pretty nicely. And there are the pipes. So, yeah, good looking pipe. Sorry guys, I'm checking out the pipe, not paying attention when I'm filming. Yeah, really like the looks of these. They're gonna kind of set up a little bit on the back of the bike, at a little bit of an angle, but I really think these will be cool pipes. Hopefully they sound really good. Not too bad. Really look like good pipes. So stick that in there. Not 100% sure what exactly that's for, but yeah, I'm not sure what that rubber strap's for, but I'm sure it has a use. And then there's also, I don't know if that little screw there, maybe it's something for the baffles or something that go in it. I'll have to see. But anyway, really, yeah, baffle screw. So what it states up there. But yeah, overall, I'm gonna open a couple of these up and show you guys these real quick. All right, so opened up the 2-to-1 portion of the exhaust. Really looks like pretty decent quality. Again, it's all stainless, so should last a while. But yeah, they actually look pretty decent. Everything's numbered as far as installing it. So basically number 3 pipe, which is up here, attaches in to here, 4-to-4. I mean, pretty self-explanatory. But the quality, the welds, everything looks decent. I really can't complain. So good looking pipes. Again, I will do a more detailed video as I install these. Like I said, I'm really going to try to do every part, piece and part, do a kind of a unboxing, go over where I got it, as well as what it costs and whatnot, and then also try to do an install on all these parts. So this one here actually was really cool. Ordered it yesterday, and was delivered today. Again, where it shipped out of wasn't that far from where I live, but I really did not expect to receive it this quick. So really cool that I got it as quick as I did. And again, looking at the hardware, the pipes and everything here, pretty impressed with the quality. So we'll see when I get them on the bike and kind of how they sound. So again, I'll link all this probably in the description or in the comments below, as well as probably the exact link where I got it off of eBay. So anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer. Again, hopefully in the future I'll have the video up soon when I start putting all this stuff together. Again, the exhaust is probably going to be one of the last things I bolt up on the bike, but I'm just trying to get all the parts, and this is definitely one of the more expensive pieces of the bike. So again, have questions, feel free to ask. Love it if you guys would hit that like button, and feel free to share these videos, and again, subscribe. Thanks for watching.